Trelawny get it so bad. Trelawny people get it so bad, and me not tell a lie, I don't know who me I go to, and me not have no money, but if me have to carry two board or carry something, me that reach out to somebody, but me remember so which part me live a gated scheme there, so a Ochi there, so me not really see nothing if you say coming from that side there, like Discovery be a tree we see in the road, but bro, when we reach at Trelawny, bro, I see how much people now have no house, and it is so bad. It is so fucking bad. It is so bad. Like every house you pass, no house, no left. I just every board that ground, and them just people just stand up in the water. I see one lady, she look old, and she just stand up on the water, just die near, and she just don't know what to do. And like, no, me never ever seen nothing in my life like this, yo. Like, I don't really want to come back life, come cry for people, but God no, man. The school them now have no all stop. The school them now have no all stop, bro. I don't know about nowhere else, but me I tell you now, right after you pass Trelawny Bridge, right there, so, and you keep on and go straight, bro. Nobody now have no house, bro. Nobody now have no house. All of the people them will live near to the roadside there, so with the bush there, them now have no house. You just pass them fridge pan a piece of concrete. You don't everything gone. Me not come from Trelawny. Me not come from Trelawny. I drive come on Mobile. I drive come on Mobile. See, guys, oh my God, like, Trelawny need help. Trelawny need help. Me need to go see about that woman there. Me need to go see her, but me didn't want to stop the car and just run through the mud and the water and just go sit down on her bed with her and hug her up, because she just sit down in a wall, you know, see no house stop, you know, see nothing. She just sit down on the bed, the sofa bed, and her fridge and her stove just dip on one concrete part, and she just sit down like, you know she lost, you know she don't know what to do from now. Every house where that was a board house at Trelawny, there is no more house. So if you have family at Trelawny, bro, help them. Me don't know the rest of the road after you pass Trelawny, which part you reach, Greenwood. Come and tell us something. Coming to Mobile, me never know so much big house there on the hill. Me never know. I only have a big house there, but the people them with the board house want to know so one little board house one, them not have nowhere to live. When we reach Mobile, over airport, Mobile airport mash up. Guys, in the whole of this, the tree them tear down. It bad. It just bad. It bad. It very bad. You see me? It bad. So if you don't have family where would live other side there and you can help in any way, please. Me not think Trelawny I get back in the light for now. So if you're there, you're not hear from nobody. If you live come from Trelawny and you're there overseas and you're not hear from nobody, them don't have no light. Every single, yeah. Look. Me just know say after. Let me tell you something more. The whole me can tell you from when me start see it from Trelawny, which part you go over the bridge for going to Falmouth town, Falmouth, right? So when you go over the bridge for going to Falmouth town, but you know go in a Falmouth town, you continue straight like you go Mobile. The whole of them house the on the side, they mash up. No house no left, no shop no left. Anything was board done. Anything was board gone. I mean not tell us a rooftop. Me I tell us the whole everything gone. So if you come from that bucklat boy that come with the old car, man. If you come from that side there, you're not hear from your people. You're not no light post. Every light post broken at all. Every single one. You see all up to Oh God, to me not know a place. That's how you have to know Jamaica, you know. So after you go to Falmouth now, anywhere you reach, that's where you see the beach and them something there. The whole of this a mash up. What the hotel name that there so now? Which hotel would I reach, you know? Which hotel would I reach this? So what the hotel the name? Grand Bar here at that? No, we not reach a Rio yet, guys. Must say we are go Mobile now. We not Mobile, we are go. So after you pass Falmouth, you say, oh, there, sir. I got my pass Ocean Spring. Ocean Spring, yeah, Grand Palada. Saint name. The whole of the light post them done this mash up. Grand Bahia, you see me? Ocean Spring, me nothing never am. I just bushed that tear done. Runaway Bay, which part me live near to Runaway Bay? The whole of it. Me I talk from which part me. Yeah, this alright. Thanks. Adesso, no. Hold on there. Which are we this? Which part is the name? Lilliput? Greenwood? Where yeah, them say Lilliput it name. Little put it name. And Greenwood, all of them place the mash up, bad. So if you have family in them part there, are you nah? Rosal, the street. First of all, we can't drive on either side. Of one side of the road at work. Me no know about sentence because which part me live a sentence, me live closer to Discovery Bay side. You understand? So Salt Marsh, Trelawny, yeah, all of them places the mash up. Anything we board, mash up, just mash up. Bro, my all pass a boat in I see. You see me? Iberia Star, see. No light post no light post at all in the ground. Every single light post on the stretch, broken at all. I am sure alright. Cause when we reach unless I start get signal. The whole of Trelawny have no light, no signal, no nothing. Every light post broken at all. Everything. Me not tell a lie. Country people get it. Me the light if you can help Trelawny people them do it, bro. I mean no money. We have to go do something more. We have to go raise something more. I mean, have to go somewhere, go give somebody something more. Either to just buy food. We can do better than this. We can do better than this. Because when I mix up, everybody run if you mix up, we need help. Jamaican people need help. I'm just ask people that when me take me there near to because which part me live a Discovery Bay there so nothing never that cross the road, gated skin the cross there so we not gated skin people only thing we not have a light. Only thing we not have a light and we not have no water. But you see once you reach in a Trelawny there so bro, Trelawny make me see some things when I only see on TV and other people country, bro. When you look and you see all the boat there in a fucking Migla Road last night. I say, why? I saw the wind sound last night. Why? Woo? Yo, me a big man. I'm afraid you fuck. If you then not a storm ya last night, like we did really take Melissa for joke, but Melissa came to destroy. Yo, last night, me I tell you, me don't know how much people ever go up on a cruise, and when they go on the cruise, you have the sea rough. When people tell us that the sea rough and it roar, that is no motherfucking joke, bro. But they on a cruise before, I'm here when the sea rough and the sea roar. I saw the wind roar last night. When me walk my door and I look to me live in a gated scheme, bro. Me couldn't see the house cross from me to all the wind blow. Me couldn't see the house where they in front of me to all the water blow and the wind blow. You can't see house them beside you in front of you, bro. From Discovery Bay, where me live, come to Trelawny, and when we reach St. Anne's, where you meet with Rosal, this alone start clean up. But from Discovery Bay, come straight up, I don't think them are going to have no light, and not going to hear from them, because the whole of the light post them broke in at two and tear down. Yeah, the uno na go uno. And maybe me have to come to get some service, in my car. Me have to something with my phone, I charge my phone right now as we speak, But Trelawny people, if you know say you left back home one little board house, it gone. One little board shop, it gone. Little pot mash up. It's cool them now have no house stop. Mama tell you, what I look at something the name with them on a big house, them house stop. Them look at something there. I don't know that house stop the name, the curly house stop. I don't know me I go get everything name. The curly house stop. What their name again? No. Poor rich people. Shingles, I said name? All them they blow off. All of them they blow off. All of them they blow off. No shingles no depend on house top. A good thing when them put it on, them have a board piece. Everybody will have them type of rooftop that gone. It gone. It not there no more. The curly nice one them gone. Me never know the shingles that blow off. Only thing you see are the inside board where the inside nobody it gone. Liquor put no name liquor put sink. Liquor put mash up. If any all like board house, them wanna see them on the side where we couldn't see. You see, if you drive past in Trelawny, and you not can see them because the bush, the bush, no bush not there again. You see everybody house on the inside. You see everybody house on the hill. Anywhere you see the little water, anywhere water did there, like you have one little river or something, or a little canal, all of that come up. The part on the sea push out the boat them. Salt marsh mash up. Anyway, the whole of Trelawny mash up, guys. Trelawny Falmouth mash right up. Mash up. When on a light, my dad Discovery Bay, I'm on a light, I'm down the water. I don't know all I place them, guys, so I never can tell you no, I don't know. I'm Moby and me there. Moby and Sonny, see. Let me tell you no. If you don't know, so you never can help with a willing heart, don't reach out to me and so you go help, right? And if you don't know, say, you not go send me money, if you go give back people, which me go need my local team, me have to go call Crystal and Shantan, or me have to go gas Spanish Town for them coming really know nobody at Trelawny, or if anybody in Trelawny want to reach out to me, and we can spam a little team, and we'll come together and go help the people them, me not have no problem for do that, bro. You see me not know nobody down here, but me live a Discovery Bay, me not come from down there, say them is a Spanish Town girl, but when me witness in my eye, me not think nobody forgot through it, you know, you see me not think nobody forgot through that, me not tell a lie. I want me a witness. Me not see nowhere else. The whole of the tree, them Glendevan have no tree. You see me? So if me no want you send your money, come give me. And by the time you look, you report back to Zell, say you want back your money. Somehow, no, if you don't want to give with your willing heart, keep your money in your pocket. Because then you go give your family them by yourself. Don't come on the internet, come give back no money if you look no name. If you know you have your family them, and them something they destroy, reach out to your family them and go help your family them, foreign people. Help your family them, no matter where you know the family have, bro. No matter where you know the family have, please me I beg you no. Put it aside and go help your family, bro. We have a grandmother, we have a father, we have a mother, we have a cousin them, bro. If you can't help them, you help them, bro. Put all pride aside. Put all pride aside. Me and beg you no. Put all pride aside and help on family them down here, bro. Them need it, bro. Help on a family them. Your cousin a chat to you all long and your ear say she not on a roof. Help your family them, bro. Don't come on TikTok and come in a box. Can't send nobody no bag of money. And you know your family all start blow down, bro. And you know your family not no food, bro. Help on a family them. Put all fuckery aside, brother. And help on a family them. On a love run up in a people TikTok box and go on like so no do something. And on a know so on a family them don't need it, bro. Put it aside and help on a family, bro. Me no want a girl and no boy run up in a box and talk about, "Care me I give this." If you know your family that Jamaica, your family need help. Help your family them, bro. You don't have to chat back to them after this, bro. But they need to know, bro. You don't need to send the money to no TikToker. If look no good name, bro. Help on the family them. You have to put it. This is a time where you put everything aside. You put every cuss in. You put every thief in. You put everything aside, bro. Because it don't look good. As much as me and a fucking labor right, Andrew alone cannot do it. A politician them alone can't do it. Them cannot do it alone. And you see it every time I talk about this, uno go on like say Ray. Uno go on like say Ray. And Ramesh alone. Me see so far from the storm start. And Ramesh alone, me see I say, come for your pound of this, come for anything if not tin or mackerel. And Ramesh alone, Ramesh post on him birthday, Ramesh give away things, bro. From Ramesh storm coming and Ramesh birthday, bro. And before Melissa even start, Ramesh alone, me see. And Ramesh alone, me see I put up this and I put up that. And I say, come for do this. Come, if you can't eat this, come for one bag of rice, come for this. But I saw no stay. Not for you know. Me not tell no like, what care wallet. Because no for you know what tear him down, I go and go up there for a pound of rice. That's how no for low people alone. That's why forgiveness matters. Forgiveness in other world, yeah, matters, bro. Forgiveness matters. Cause see him somebody wanna knock the fuck down out here. Could have got enjoy birthday wrap up in him bed with him wife. And from before the storm start, Ramesh put up him address. Ramesh get work and pack little bag. Forgiveness matter in a Jamaica, bro. In a every culture, forgiveness matter, bro. And him alone are the first one. Where I said the whole world know, cause the whole world know Ramesh. Till now, Ramesh spending birthday, I give back. And that him spending birthday, I give back. Me go talk about what me see, you know. Me not see nothing else, you know. Cause me never have enough internet. I go up on him page to wish him happy birthday. And when me I wish him happy birthday, I give me see him, I give back, and me I say, what do that man here? When belly no big again. I see when me get little internet, Ramesh make a post a while ago over Instagram and say, if you can't even come for one thing or something, come for it. So hear me and tell you, Ramesh Agiwe, we must can set up a 14 parish in Jamaica. And we the people them on TikTok, wanna love watch we cuss, wanna love watch man business, wanna love when girl ball, wanna love bring down girl. So me are one of them. We cuss, we ball, we beg, we do all like. No, me a beg for real now. This is not a tops and roses thing, bro. Me a beg for real now. If people them overseas, if you know you have your family back in Jamaica, put your pride aside and help them. Put the argument you want to have aside and help them. Me, unforgettable care, raw truth boss, I beg you no. Help on the family them back home. cancel any shoes that you go buy. And you know what's so fucked up, bro? I in a one time, or rent time, or foreign and bills time. But anything one can give, bro. Give back, bro. It's not one time where you can tell me say nobody about. Most heartbreaking thing this me ever seen in my fucking life, bro. Are the most heartbreaking. Like, me don't want to remember this no more. The only time I ever witnessed at Jamaica was Ivan, and I went me a little pitney. This was nothing like this. Like, if me did that Spanish town, I wouldn't see all of this. You see it? So, I've never seen anything like this. When we see Ivan, mean a primary school, high school, when we see Ivan, you see me? And I would never see no tear down. We just see so water come up and you see me? But I mean, I know why me that fit. Me say me day in a car, we a drive slow. And me hear one girl ball out, unforgettable K, help we. Bro, my belly button move. And like she says, unforgettable K, they can't help we. Girl, me feel a weird girl, the tears just run down my eye when the girl says so. And the only thing me have in my bag $100 Jamaican. You know who me get the man them want to try clear out the road. Guys, as me said to you know, me I plead to you know, me I beg you know, if you have your family back home, please help your family back home. Please. Chubbuck.
Hi guys.
Listen, my country is going through a devastation. My country has a hurricane. My country have a hurricane. Go suck out your mother. Me can't help you do nothing right now. And I see Melissa go match up drunk up. Come and cry out the wall of my fucking lash. Ramesh Entertainment, you have a heart of gold. Everybody have good ways and fuck up ways. Me, you, your mother, your pitney, all away have good ways and bad. But I pray God never take him on off of your Ramesh. Because all away know. You not give back for no hype. You give back from when we don't know you. You give back from before the whole world know you. And for that, for the heart, I change you. May God continue to bless you, Ramesh. To all them string you up on a cross and then come stone you. All if I want normal somebody like me not give nobody nothing. But it never change you. It never shift you. You're still out here help on your birthday. On your birthday. A plyboard, me see people look machete and a cut for go give away. Me no, a party TDJ keeping at the star, me know. The 444 dear go suck your mother. Me I talk about the help with me see. You go over. So in me I talk about. Don't you saw me name that cuss nobody word. Don't come rile me up. Anybody else see what help you know go on over there. Lift up and move from here so. If I him alone, me see, I him alone, me say. I him alone, me did see a help. So where you want me come do? Call out other name, me no blood clot, see? Look at other people are help. Can you know 8 people all in them a do good? If me want call out him name, him me say, I him me blood clot, say. I me have all right to call out him name. Can I give a things from before it time start? All me see other people do prayer for we go over shared room. You know see everybody over there prayer to Jamaica. You see them come out with no foundation yet? No. Make them do what them a do after. All I artists them, all I people them a go come out. Me a talk about who we see and the whole world see. There is no competition of who is giving back. So me see Ramisha give back, me a go talk about Ramisha, me see a blood clot give back. Well I no come, hey, we go eat out Melissa all. I know, me prove this. I want to can tell about Melissa are all bigger than my one. Because she never have to do the place, so. She have to be one big, nasty old girl. For deal with local country, so. No! And she and me, you can't call me big old. Melissa all bigger than all our own. Me not ask no that girl there. Huh? For deal with us, huh? No man, she take it from me. She take it from me. I know me again. And she. Alright, for my people them, I want to get, me don't know, anything one want to send me, have a go try, God, Trelawny. Me go get me water boat. A place them when me see where a place mash up. When me see woman, me member yard, me have to go find her. And all of them hosts that were up on the stretch right there at Trelawny. You see me? We can go give them some things. I know I said I got tape night now over the weekend. As me say, really and truly, I don't want no mash up my account. I know my people them, know. But look random people them, me I tell you no. If you don't want to go help, you don't have to send no money, come give me. Any money when me get me I send. Me really and truly, me not even want to collect nobody money. But me know me have 2 local people who know me and they always there for my life, them. Somebody call me already and say they want to give it $15 to $100 each. They say them and send me know me I go give woman when me see a woman when me see just sit down on her wet mattress and all the thing was stand up in front of our fridge and our stove. She oh God man, and every house after fear mash up. Alright, Sash, send Rebel your money, Sash. Sash, me never ask for your $1. So here you know, when you hear Sash come in, I can't send someone who is in need of money. So Sash, come here. Don't block Sash, you know. Come here, Sash. Sash, me never ask you for nothing, Sash. Me no want nothing from you, Sash. Go on, go send Rebel, Sash. Can you see Sash Rebel, you want to call your name, Sash? Me no want nobody call my name, Sash. You never hear the part when me say me no want nobody money. I only me TikTok people, them when know me. Me take the money from figure give back some people. As a matter of fact, me no want nobody send me no money. Help on the family. Cause Sash, me can tell you something. Look for me good. I go through his storm. Wait now, come here for sure. Don't blood clot black car. I storm me just go through. Look for me good, Sash. No matter how much money you take me in need of, you'd never believe I'm go through a storm. Come here, my general. Hold a phone here for me. It a show up on me. Just hold it so. Sash, I storm me just go through. Me look like me just go through a storm here. Look for me good. Me come outside. Me clean same way. God still bless me. So any money where you feel like me in need, I go suck your help people in them neighborhood. Me did ask you for no money, big bitch. And name you look out for rebel. Go suck your mother, girl. Thanks. Bright. Boy, you rather go give rebel. Me that me the beg your money, girl. Mojo, I'm glad she start this. I'm glad she start this. Me no want nobody money. Me no want nobody send me nothing for help nobody. It's okay. It's okay. Send to all the other people them want to know. Me just tell you say, if you have nobody at Trelawny side, Sentan side, what me say, send go help them. Send go help them. Cause remember say when me did done say it already say, if you can go help me there over here, ball. I say go help no people them. Put anything on the other side. You just big fuck out, Sash. You just hear me say, my TikTok people them. When me know, me will take them money, but me no want to rest on no one.